the era of automation in the manufacturing industry. However, the mold industry faced stagnation. As a result, various risks have occurred. To overcome this situation, NCB will give you the best solution. Through the ideology with transparent management, creative learning culture, fair evaluation, NCB will contribute to the interest of customers. NCB Incorporated started business software development and machining company in 1997. NCBrain, our main product, was released in 2003 and has been used as standard system for NC milling. Starting with expanding overseas markets and selling global companies in 2008, NCB has been with 1,800 customers from 18 countries at home and abroad. Based on our own expertise and skills, we obtained various patents and certificates. Finally, we have established ourselves as a core infrastructure for the advanced smart mold industry. Through the accumulated machining know-how and continuous research and development, big data could be built, which has become our own competitiveness. NCB has collected optimal machining databases through various information in the mold industry and the machining know-how accumulated so far. Based on that experience, we can build customized databases for various customers. Optimized results can be checked in advance through virtual simulation technology that compares actual machining stock and modeling. Through these optimal databases and simulation technologies, our own optimization skills have been developed, and these functions make it easy for anyone to convert general CAM data into optimized NC data. NCB developed an automatic CAM data generation technology based on artificial intelligence autonomous driving technology. Through this, CAM data can be automatically generated only with 2D drawings or 3D modeling. NCBrain is a 3-axis data optimization program that converts existing CAM data into NC data. That is easy, fast, and safe for anyone, as CAM beginner to expert. Customers can achieve the highest efficiency with just only NCBrain. Through NCBrain, top-notch standard solution for NC machining can be achieved. NCBrain 5X has been developed to enable high-precision 5-axis machining by expanding from the 3-axis. Through the machining simulation function, collision verification has improved stability during machining, and various verification functions are provided to enhance customer convenience. NCBrain 5X provides you with reliable machining results and stability. AICAM was developed under the concept of artificial intelligence autonomous driving and is an automatic CAM software that can generate CAM data only with 3D modeling. Anyone who is not skilled can easily complete CAM work with just a few clicks, and even NC machining is possible to start at once. NCBrain AI CAM maximizes customer profits with high quality that can be trusted. It will serve as the first step in the smart mold industry so that customers can lead the Industry 4.0. We effort to impress customers with constant technology development and new ideas that lead the Industry 4.0. In addition, we will grow and develop with our customers and lead the mold industry with top-notch standard solution. Leading companies in the future industry. We are NCB.